So we made some new friends. Everyone's standing, I'm gonna just sit down, there ain't no point standing yet. Whew. Man, this dust filter in this helmet ain't that great. Alright, time to stand. Oh, I love being at the back though, not holding anyone up. Thank you. I'm like chewing on sand at the moment. Whew. Let's go, hit me. Keeping up with our big boys. Not that they're going too fast, but it's all good. Right, let's try to stand up more. I heard it's a lot easier. I've already been hit in the head by a tree. Quite a weird pace, to be honest. I've never ate so much sand in my life. Sorry guys, I'm concentrating on keeping up with this lot. Him is capable, but it's not the fastest of bikes, so I've got to try and be precise and keep off the front brake. Jesus man, this dust is pretty ridiculous. Need goggles from my mouth as well. Oh, I forgot to unplug my ABS. Going downhill with ABS on is not fun, by the way. Because the back brake just stops working. Because it detects the sliding on the gravel. And it just kind of turns your brakes off. And then using the front brake downhill on gravel ain't good either. So, yeah, it's quite scary. I need to speed up. So you win some, you lose some, I guess. But downhill now, onto the tunnel, speed bumps. Some lovely, lovely gentlemen. I'm gonna be riding with them for about half an hour now. Boys and girls, it is so dusty. I'm not used to this. Look at it, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But I can't even see the floor right now. Oh baby, next trail. There's a lot of dust kicking up. Come on, hear me. Oh, Jesus. She's all over the place right now. But yeah, the Hemi's chilling with the big boys. Well, I would say the big boys, there's no two-strokes here, but we've got a Beta, we've got, I think there's a Husky up there, there's two CRFs, and there's something else. Not very good with dirt bikes, not gonna lie to you. Pretty new to this whole scene. But yeah, I'm on a Himalayan with MT60s. These guys are on thoroughbred dirt bikes with dirt tyres. So if this is not compliment to the Himalayan, then I don't know. They're not exactly hard trails though, to be honest with you, so it's not like we're doing enduro or anything, we're just following a trail. Good old cyclists. Cheers, guys. Ooh. In the bushes. They can have all that dust. I don't know if my goggles are sealing properly. I'm getting a bit of dust in my eyeball as well. But yeah guys, sorry I'm not talking much. It's quite hard to talk and off-road, but I'm trying. I also don't know how these Sendy filters gonna do for these dark roads. Or dark trails, should I say. Like, this is pretty much just concrete at this point. We're just coming up into Leaf Hill now. Oh, back end sliding. Second gear. Like, I don't know why we're standing on pretty much a paved road. Off the tree with me and go, we don't give a flying, try not to swear, so a flying fish, I don't know. Alright, this is when it gets kind of shit for the Hemi. I just swore. Oh, there's so much sand in my mouth. Yeah, it's here. It's the sand. Although this is quite packed down today. Oh, it's nice and solid. Guys, you don't understand how much sand is in my mouth right now. I did not see that guy at all. Oh my. I feel like the biggest noob right now. Everyone's standing, I'm just sitting down, chilling. Here's the real sand. Like, do I stand here? That's the question. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared of dropping, and if I'm standing, it's a long way to the floor. And I cannot see a thing, so... Boy. Oh my god. All I can see is a lucky biker's tail light. Wheels came off the ground. I wonder if it's going to go up and around the hill this time. Thank you. He did not look impressed. Oh, but guys, it is a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the Himalayan off-road and stuff, just drop a comment. Honestly, I'm not a professional by any means. I'm actually quite bad off-road. Goggles on. Alright. It's just me and the lucky biker now. They've stopped for lunch. Bit of a weird time to have lunch, honestly. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It's 9:30. Or they're probably having breakfast, but I had a PB&J sandwich before I left. But they've really set pace for us now anyway. Ugh.